Gideon Math and Reading is the best place to meet all your tutoring needs. Math and reading programs that build confidence through mastery. They're now offering free online evaluations and at-home plans. Check them out in the link below, and once again, thank you to Gideon Math and Reading for being my sponsor. Enjoy the video.
Hi and welcome back, guys. So today we have a vertical multiplication and division word problem. And so it basically says John paid $800 for 4 speakers and 4 TVs. The TVs cost 4 times as much as the speakers. How much did each cost? So that was a lot of words to read. So we need to first break down what is the problem saying. So our actual question is, how much did each cost? And so we need to find the price of one TV and the price of one single speaker. And so it says John paid $800 for 4 speakers and 4 TVs. So we should write an equation for it. So our equation would be 4S, so 4 speakers plus 4 speakers plus 4 TVs is equal to $800. Okay, so we have this so far. But we're also given some extra information that is going to help us, like the TVs cost 4 times as much as the speakers. So we want to create a little mini equation for this. So 1 TV, or just the letter T, is equal to 4 speakers. So I'm just going to put that in a box so we can use that later. Alright, so now in our original problem, we have 2 different letters, an S for speakers and a T for TVs. But to make this as easy as possible to solve, we want only one letter. So the letter that we're going to go with is S, because we see there's an S here. So we have 4S plus, we know based on this we can replace this T with 4S since they're the exact same. So we can replace the TVs with 4 speakers since they're the exact same price, is equal to $800. So that was half the battle, just determining what we need to do and setting up the equation. Now onto the actual math part. So we can't do anything here, can we? But here, what can we do? So as many of you know, we need to distribute out this 4. So we need to multiply this 4 to 4S. So 4 times 4S is 16S. And we can't do anything with this, so we just leave this 4S alone. So now we have 4S plus 16S is equal to $800. Now what we need to do is combine these S's together. So 4S plus 16S gets us 20S. So we have 20S is equal to $800. Now, for this step, since we are trying to find the price of one speaker, we need to get a single speaker by itself. And so how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to do that by getting rid of this 20. And so that's quite simple, actually. So to get rid of this 20, we need to do the opposite of what it's currently doing. So right now in this problem, this 20 is being multiplied by this S. So to get rid of this 20, we need to divide it by 20. So 20S divided by 20 will get rid of this. But whatever we do to this side, we also do to this side. So now we have S is equal to $800 divided by 20. And what's $800 divided by 20? That's 40. So now we have $40. So we have our first price. One speaker equals $40. So one speaker equals $40. So I'm gonna write that somewhere in black. So one speaker is equal to $40. All right, so now we need to find the price of the TVs. So as we determined earlier, one TV is equal to 4 speakers. And so we know the price of one speaker. So we just need to find the price of 4 speakers. So we have T, which now I'm gonna write TV, is equal to 4 speakers. And if one speaker is equal to 40, we can replace the values. So like I did here with these two, I can replace this S with $40 since one speaker is equal to $40. All right, now we just need to multiply 4 times $40. So what is 4 times $40? That would be $160. So that means one TV is worth $160. So I'm gonna write that here. One TV is equal to $160. All right, so I'm just gonna underline my answers. And so here's one final step that some teachers may or may not ask you to do. And this step is actually commonly forgotten. So basically what we're gonna do is check our answer. So we're gonna check our answer by plugging in each value. So if S is equal to 40 and T is equal to 160, we just have to replace those. So I'm gonna move this. Wait, I hope you got this. If you didn't, you can pause the video right here and look over this, but I'm gonna move the whiteboard now. So we have, I'm gonna do this in black actually, black marker. So 4 times 40 plus 4 times 160. So first we need to multiply out this 4 and 40. If your teacher isn't requiring this, you can click off the video now. So we have 160 from here plus 4 times 160, which is 640. So when you add 160 and 640, what do you get? You get 800. And $800 is the same as our starting price. So this proves that our answers are correct.